Here we are at question number 6. We've got a table here. We can see that clearly. I don't really see a question mark, so let's read. The coin is tossed 3 times. An outcome is represented by a string of the sort HHT, meaning a head on the first toss, followed by 2 tails. The 8 outcomes are listed in the table. Note that each outcome has the same probability. So we have 8 different outcomes with the equal likelihood of an outcome of each. So now for each of the 3 events, check the tables and then get the probability. So a tail on both the first and the last tosses. So here's a first tail and a last tail. That's one. Maybe I'll make this one darker for this part. Let's see, let's go with black. That marks that one. Heads and a tail and a tail. So there's one. So it's just, we're counting through here. It's a heads and a tail, a heads and a heads, a tail and a, so there's 2 of them out of a total of 8. So again, come here to color because we're right over here. So that probability is 2 8s. We could reduce it to 1/4, but again, no reason to do that. We just keep going with this on this one. 2 or more heads. 2 or more heads. Here's 2 heads, so we'll mark that one. There's 2 tails, 2 tails, 1 head, 2 heads there, 2 heads there, 2 or more. So here's 3, which is 2 or more. So we've got 4 here. So that's going to be 4 out of 8, and that's that probability. Alternating heads and tails with either coming first. So it doesn't really matter. Let's see, maybe I'll just switch, go with the red. So heads, tails, tails, heads. This does not alternate. This does not alternate. Here's a tails, head, tails. So this one's alternating. This one's tails. No, that doesn't alternate. That doesn't alternate. Here's heads, tails, heads. So that alternates. This one does not. That one does not. So we've got 2 out of 8. So 2 out of 8. And again, you can reduce those, but that's all there is to this particular question. Question number 6. Keep up the good progress. We'll take a break and move on to number 7.